Well, I know that the last three cars, Jeff Allendorf, Austin Fowler, and Justin Wagner, they seem to know what's going on. Phil Speciale also seems to know what's going on. I don't know if the two front cars do. Okay, it's green flag this time. We hope. As Big Al's going to set the pace, let's try it again. Here they come. Green flag and we're racing. We did it. Jeff Allendorf immediately looking to make it 3 wide to get around the 55K car of Big Al. Why not? Justin Wagner in the 73 car going around his outside. Justin Wagner right almost into the back of Phil Speciale. Hang on. Oh, Allendorf makes contact with Speciale. Speciale off the pace. Something wrong with that 6 car. Austin Fowler driving every which way to get out of the way. Allendorf looking to claim third now. But yeah, Phil Speciale in that 6 car definitely off the pace. I don't know if that car just quit or what happened there. Yellow flag is probably going to come out here. Maybe. He got it. He got it rolling. We're good. We're good. All right. It's Balmas off to the races here. Here comes Wagner to the inside. Wagner looking to challenge for the lead. Balmas by about 3/4 of a car length. This is an 8-lap heat race here. Justin Wagner coming back here now. Let's see what happens going into 3 and 4. Balmas looks like he let up just a little early. And it's going to be Wagner that time to get the lead. Balmas in second. Third goes to Jeff Allendorf. Austin Fowler and Big Al making contact there. Five in, 3 to go for Justin Wagner. We'll see Jeff Allendorf looking to challenge Bill Balmas now for second place. Everybody else kind of running single file there. 6 down, 2 to go. Justin Wagner may be able to put it in cruise control. And he's going to come around. Last lap for Justin Wagner. Balmas in second, Allendorf in third. I don't think much is going to change from this lineup. Here comes your winner. It's going to be Justin Wagner, followed by Bill Balmas, Jeff Allendorf, Austin Fowler, Big Al Coupal, and the 6 of Phil Speciale not able to finish that race as we just, I don't know, the power seemed to cut out in that 6 car. And that was it, but at least he was able to get it off the track there. No yellow flag came out. That was good. So no harm, no foul. Our driver here coming out here to victory lane. This is a 76 Chevelle, 1976 Chevelle out of Beloit, Wisconsin. Once again, sponsored by Windsor Pizza Parlor, the official pizza of the Rockford Speedway. Cornwell Tools, Daniels Detail, Window Tint, Fat Guys Customs and Exhaust. Really, Fat Guys Customs and Exhaust. I love it. C&R Enterprises, Ridge Runner Racing. I think he's going to get out. I would think so. Let's see.